So I just got 2-inch leveling kit put on. It's a Skyjacker kit. It was about 90 bucks on American Trucks, and I'll tell you what, it definitely looks better. I can tell a difference. Keeps the front wheels now, since I got the bigger 33 by 12 and a halves on the front. They don't rub anymore. They were doing a little bit of rubbing. I did some minor trimming, which helped, but now when I turn the wheel full chock either direction, it's perfect, and it really does look great, I have to say. Nice and even from front to back. Looks great with the wheels and tires. Now, to consider going for a lift, I don't know. I didn't think I wanted to do it, but now that I have it leveled and can see what the potential is for maybe a 4 or 6 inch lift, who knows? Maybe I'll do it. But 2-inch Skyjacker kit was nice and easy to install. Control arms, tie rods loosened up. Let's see if we can see. Right down here. Just a little half moon shaped. Steel block, all black. Took about 2 hours to do. Sorry I didn't get a video. I was doing it with my father-in-law, and he's not too into the video thing. But once I do the next tire rotation, I'll do a video on the install so I can show everybody how quick and easy it is to do. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cryptic Chevy out.